Hey, you know what? I got promoted. What? I was very surprised. In fact, I checked my email 2 times. I'm also very surprised. Congratulations. I can't believe it. Actually, I know the reason behind this. My project. I did it perfectly well. And when I showed it to my boss, I was very surprised. See guys, this was a very normal conversation where every time, very surprised word was used. We can change that, very surprised, by some other more attractive and different words. For example, let me explain you. Bolt from the blue. What it means? It means like something that happened unexpectedly and was a complete surprise for you. Let us take an example. Their divorce came as a bolt from the blue. Means everyone was surprised with their divorce. They were doing very nice and they were loving each other, where they were very, what we can say, like a doting couple. Everyone was like thinking, whoa, look at this ideal couple. But the news came that they are divorcing. So it was a bolt from the blue. Now see here, we can use one more idiom for very surprised, like shocking. Let us see what is that. Drop a bombshell. Means what? It means like to tell something very surprising, very shocking, and which can change the situation drastically. For example, the chairman dropped a bombshell when he announced his retirement. In this case, promotion came as a surprise. It was like unexpected for this guy. So he said, oh, very, very surprised. Instead of that, he can say, oh, you dropped a bombshell, which I'll explain you after this session is over. We have another dialogue here. Another very nice idiom we can use to show that someone is very surprised, and that is jaw-dropping. For example, it's like if you want to express that total amazement or surprised, you can use this jaw-dropping or jaw drops. For example, it was a jaw-dropping catch. Like for example, Ravindra Jadeja takes jaw-dropping catches, right? Jaw-dropping is what we call jaw-dropping, right? Well, one more idiom is we can use it to show that you are surprised. To take a double take. A double take. For example, like if you look back quickly after your first look, means what? Suppose you're walking and your friend is coming from the other side, very old friend, you haven't seen him since last 10 years, and he says hi. You also say hi. That is double take. In this situation, this first guy was saying that I did a double take when I saw my email. He checked the email again, huh? I got promoted, huh? Can't believe. Double take, right? Okay, so guys, these are the idioms which you can use, and now let us see a better dialogue. Let us see how we can use these idioms in conversation. Come on. You know what? I got promoted. It was a bolt from the blue. In fact, I did double take when I saw my email. What? You dropped a bombshell. Congratulations. I can't believe this. You know what? I know the reason behind my promotion. It was my project. I did perfectly well. And when I showed it to my boss, he jaw dropped. Hey, how was this? Improved, right? Improved. So you can use these idioms next time when you want to express that you are surprised. This feeling you can use. You can use these idioms to express your feelings, a better way. Now let us go and see another feeling that is sad. Every time we say, I'm very sad, look at this dialogue. I'm feeling very sad and depressed today. What happened, Sandeep? I lost my job. And I don't know how to tell this to my family. I'm feeling like crying. Oh. I'm also feeling very sad for you. I'm feeling very, very sorry and sad for myself. I don't know how to handle this. I can understand your feelings. I actually have gone through this. You look very sad and disturbed. But don't worry. I will try to find a new job for you. Well, guys, this is what usually people use these words. But why not to use better idioms in this place? I will show you. Let's go ahead. Down in the dumps. Now see here, when you're feeling very depressed or very sad, you can use this idiom. For example, he has been down in the dumps since his divorce. Down in the dumps means that person is like sad and never goes out and very, very depressed. Down in the dumps. This is better than using the word very sad. Down in the dumps. Second we can use is feel blue or feeling blue. Means again, as I said before, sad or depression. Let me give you an example. I'm going to see my grandmother. She is feeling a bit blue at the moment. What it means, like I want to meet my grandmother and she is alone and there is no one to take care of her. So she is feeling a bit blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Blue color is a symbol of depression and sad. It's usually this word is used as Monday morning blues. How do you feel on Monday morning? Bad, sad. That is feeling blue. Next is lump in your throat. Lump in your throat means you feel like crying. Like have you seen, there are some times when you are about to cry and you feel lump. You feel heaviness here before you're about to cry and you feel like that. So that is a lump in the throat. For example, you can say that his story was so touching that I felt lump in my throat. Means I was very emotional. I was about to cry. Now another replacement for feeling sad is feeling low. Feeling low is the same, feeling sad. Like you can say, today she feels low because she did not clear her exams, or she did not pass the test, or she did not perform well in the test. Feeling low. Another one is that out of sorts. Out of sorts. The meaning is feeling unwell or upset. Sentence can be, you look out of sorts today. Out of sorts. Same thing, feeling low and sad. Now, let us see a more advanced dialogue now, where these idioms are used. See how it looks different from the previous one. I'm feeling down in the dumps today. What happened, Sandeep? I lost my job and I don't know how to tell to my family. I'm feeling lump in the throat. Oh, I'm also feeling a bit blue. I'm feeling very low. I don't know how to handle it. Oh, I can understand your feelings. You look out of sorts. But don't worry. I will help you out. I can help you to get a better job. I can understand your feelings.